we'll understand the difference between PCR and RT-PCR. PCR is used in functional analysis of genes, diagnosis and monitoring of hereditary diseases. Also in DNA cloning, DNA sequencing and ancient DNA amplification. Whereas RT-PCR is used in the detection of gene expression. So, PCR is comparatively less sensitive as compared to RT-PCR. And in PCR, the enzyme used is DNA polymerase, whereas in RT-PCR, there are two enzymes. That is, first one is reverse transcriptase and second one is DNA polymerase are used. And the primers used in PCR, forward and reverse primers are used, whereas in RT-PCR, reverse primer is used. That is for reverse transcriptase or reverse transcription. Then in PCR, double-stranded DNA molecules serve as a template, whereas in RT-PCR, a single-stranded RNA molecule is the template and a single stranded DNA will be the template for PCR. Then in PCR there are three steps, that is denaturation, annealing and extension, whereas in this reverse transcription is followed by PCR. So main differences are in terms of sensitivity, their application, then the enzymes involved into it, primers used or the template, and their which steps is followed by which. So first you'll be doing RT-PCR and then PCR, quantitative real-time PCR.